Well, can we eat something out of that? Who are we talking? I'm joking. Palm Sunday. Man, I run up. You're not trouble there. Like a Palm Sunday. I'm back around. What's that? No.
What's that?
All right, bro.
You got to just bought 10 of them, man.
I see.
French. Yeah. That's why I don't got that many of them. They just came and bought 10 of them, man. They didn't give me that much. They only gave me 85, man. But that's all right. It's all right. That was my first. Huh?
That is all right.
Nah, but
Most.
I do a lot of drawing. I do a lot. You see me every day. Yeah.
Oh,
I do
yeah.
a lot of drawing, you know?
Oh yeah.
That was good.
No, when I look at them though, you could see the thought that goes into them.
Exactly.
And
that's the whole point.
Yeah.
That's my point. And the subject matter and the energy that takes.
Yeah, it expands imagination.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And people like you took the words out of my mouth because it's uplifting. It's uplifting, you know?
Yeah.
That's the main thing. No matter how much skill you got.
And you know, you do have somebody look at something in a totally different way.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, brother. Yeah. What's your name, bro?
Shan.
Okay. Shan?
Shan.
MC Shan? Okay. Okay, brother. So me getting to my subject matter, them and go on somewhere, you know? Yeah. More times things real simple, man. A man just make things totally hard, complicated.